Shalom and welcome to Tumat Torah. It's entitled TANACH YIRMIYAHU. In the Parak Zion, tragic pasuk, tragic prediction. Don't forget, Yirmiyahu lived with the generation before the destruction of the first Mikdash and during that time as well. Vishbati me'erei Yehuda. I'm going to wipe out from Erei Yehuda. The other 10 tribes are gone already. 100 years earlier, I'm going to wipe out from Mechutz Yerushalayim, and from Yerushalayim, Kol Sason. We will not have a Kol Sason. We will not have Kol Simcha, Kol Chatan, v'Kol Kala. Ki lacharba tiyeh haaretz. We sing such a beautiful song, Kol Sason, v'Kol Simcha, Kol Chatan, v'Kol Kala. In a happy, joyous way over here in Zion and Yam, it's talking how these sounds of Simcha are going to be wiped out. It's Hashem, or the third Mikdash, and we'll have the true, complete sounds of Sason and Simcha. Shalom.